Yo, I'm back with another Tokyo on 10, and in this mini-series, I'm taking you to 10 Tokyo food spots that are all under $10 and that are a delicious 10. And oh yeah, it hasn't gone internationally viral yet! So today I am in Kanda, which is a little bit away from Shibuya, where we had Wagyu ramen in the last episode, but I definitely had to take you to this place because I love tonkatsu, and this place has one of the best tonkatsus in all of Tokyo. In fact, there's a lot of cool restaurants in this area. I wish I could take you to all of them, but you know the rules. There's only 10 places I'm taking you for this mini-series. This is today's Tokyo 10 spot, Katsudon wa Hitoを幸せにする, which means Katsudon makes people happy. Yeah, it's kind of a long ass name, but definitely memorable. Or if you don't know Japanese, maybe super forgettable. Either way, it's popular among local office workers during lunch, so you know it's the real deal. Plus, it's Japan's Katsudon Grand Prix champion 4 years running. Their Katsudon, pork cutlet over rice, is made in the shop's own special way. Typically, the katsu is cooked with eggs just before going on the rice bed, but at this spot it's done separately so the panko covered katsu stays crispy while the egg remains fluffily creamy, ensuring that each bite, even the last one, is perfect. Alright, so here it is right here. We have arrived, and unfortunately we've got to wait in line like everyone else. Maiko's here again, by the way.
Hey guys.
Okay. We have made it inside. Yes, time to sit. One of the things that you have to do is order on your phone. How many people today? They're asking for my birthday, I guess because they want to know. Here we go. Let's press this order. So, what makes your katsudon different from
うちの
others?
とんかつですか、うちはですね、材料とか作り方にこだわっていまして、材料は秋田の十和田湖という綺麗な湖があるんですけど、その周辺でストレスなく育っている桃豚という豚を使っています。パン粉もこだわったパン粉を使ってるんですけど、堺食品さんといってですね、富山県のパン粉だけを作っている特別なパン粉に、うちのカツに合うようなものを作ってもらってます。
They're also very particular about how they cook it. Since the fatty parts don't cook through as easily, they use a method that they call a half bath. Basically, the shop fries the fattier side a little longer, almost like letting it soak, so the entire cut turns into the perfectly balanced shade of feed me now, please.
その創業者の言葉なんですけど、うちはカツ丼を売っているんじゃなくて幸せを売っていますと。来てくださったお客様に気持ちよく食事をしていただいて、幸せになって帰っていただくということに一生懸命日々やらさせてもらってます。
Hey, do you like hot sauce?
ああ、ホットソースね。はいはいはい、好きです。
Then you've got to try my hot sauce.
いいんですか、いただきます。ありがとうございます。
Enjoy. Quickly, before we continue on, I want to tell you guys about the sponsor of this video, Squarespace. Now, if you don't already know what Squarespace is, the #1 way to build your online presence. In fact, I use Squarespace for my website, Tokyo Zebra. Here are just some of the reasons why I love using Squarespace so much. First of all, I've been promoting Squarespace on this channel for years now, and let's be honest, they still haven't let me down. And as the internet has evolved over the years, so has Squarespace, as they use cutting-edge design tools such as their Blueprint AI and AI Enhanced Website Builder to get a fully custom website in just a few steps, making it easy for beginners. No matter where you start, Squarespace is so flexible with their intuitive drag and drop editing, beautiful styling options, etc. And like I said, no experience is required. Also, if you want built-in analytics, Squarespace has you covered. Want to sell content online with a payment system? Squarespace has you covered. Want to make your dream website today? Yup, Squarespace has you covered. So there you go. Go to squarespace.com today for your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Paolo from Tokyo and get 10% off your first domain or website. check this out. It smells good, it looks good, so it definitely tastes good. And let's not forget, it's all under $10. To be honest with you, this is like that perfect amount of salad for me as well. Look at that, just one leaf, just one little leaf. Perfect. Look at just this piece. Succulent, tender pork. Whoa, it is so crispy on the outer shell. That panko is just divine. And then when you get into the meat, it just, all of the juices and flavors just burst into your mouth. All of those like fatty oils and all of the meat juice blows up in your mouth. And then you get like the sweetness from their special signature sauce here, kind of on the sweet, but also has kind of a savoriness to it as well. And the katsu is pretty like on the lighter side. It doesn't feel too heavy. Like sometimes it feels like a gut bomb, which, you know, actually I don't mind so much. But this is quite light, so you can probably, if you're really hungry, you can do like their mega bowl where you actually have 2 of these slices. Let me know if you guys come here and do that. Let me try some of their fluffy egg. When they cook it, you can just see how quickly they pan fry it, and it's just a little bit runny. That is so light and airy, but it also has kind of like the yolkiness in there. Just coat your tongue. It has all that sweetness perfectly flavored. Let me just take another bite of this. Man, look at that. Look how crispy that is on the outer shell. Flour, egg, panko. That's how I like it. Wow. Got that melty pork, got the crunchy outside, you got the flavorful rice and the fluffy egg. What a perfect combination. Let's see what Michael thinks.
Wow, so good. I have to say I'm not really a katsu person, but this feels so light. Like it's not greasy or anything. It's so crispy. The meat is so soft. I love the tare. Sweet. It has like koku. It's really good. And it's so good. I already finished it, but the dashi soup, it was so good. I don't want to say strong. It's tasty.
Powerful.
Powerful dashi. And it has a little noodles too.
If you guys haven't noticed, I am under the weather. You're good though. I'm under the weather. I'm under the weather. Let me see if I can try to do like a little sandwich with all this. Get some egg. See if my skills are good enough. Get egg.
You can do it.
You don't think I can do it, Michael? People that say it can't be done are often interrupted by the people that are doing it. It's scoop it up like this, like a professional. There you go. All in one bite. Doesn't look too appetizing, but nonetheless. Do the Japanese shoveling technique. So this is your new Katsudon spot, and this was Tokyo on 10.